I love freezing strawberries so that I can use them for later. I a lot of times will use them to add to jams that maybe aren't in season during the same time that the strawberries are in season. My kids love just eating them plain as frozen strawberries, and we absolutely love adding them to our smoothies. It's really easy to prepare these for freezing. All I have to do is remove the greens at the end. I really like using this little device because it makes it so easy. All I do is stick it into the end, turn it, and then when I pull it out, it pulls off all the greenery, and you just push this little button and it will eject it, and it wastes the least amount of the strawberry, as opposed to if I was to take a knife and just cut off the end of it. Then you can either freeze them whole or slice them, or what I like to do is cut them in half so that they're a little more manageable, but it's not as much preparation. I then take my cut strawberries and place them cut side down on a silicone mat lined baking tray. This makes it so that it comes off a little bit easier with the silicone lining, but in addition to that, it makes it so that I don't have just one big chunk of frozen strawberry. I can pull them out just one piece at a time. If I was to just put them in a freezer bag and freeze them at this point, then they would all stick together and it would be a huge ice cube essentially of strawberries. And that's very difficult to get smaller chunks off of. I try to make sure that I do a single layer so that they don't stick to each other. And then I'll put this in the freezer for anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. The key is that I want it to be nice and frozen hard. I'll then label a gallon-sized freezer bag so that I know what it is and when I froze it. I like to label the bag before I put anything in it because it's a little bit easier. These strawberries are just perfect. They've been in there for, probably about 6 hours now. And they come off the silicone mat so well. I do try to work quick though, because if they start to thaw, then as they refreeze in the bag, again, the issue with the sticking together. That's another place where this silicone mat helps, because it's really easy to knock it off it as opposed to if you're just doing it on the tray. And then I like to turn the top portion of my Ziploc bag inside out, just so that I don't get any juice or anything on the outside edge. And then I try and get as much of the air out as I can as I seal it. My husband's really good at this actually. He'll put a straw inside it and suck all the air out, which is great. You can also just do your vacuum sealer on it, but otherwise a gallon-sized bag works perfectly. And then I'll put this in the freezer and we can use the strawberries as we need them. They should be good for anywhere from 3 to 6 months.